Hello guys, this is Hesk. First of all, I would like to apologize for not uploading content. Yeah, I was busy with school, but now I'm back full time. Yes. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own virtual hotspot. Yes. So this thing can actually be a solution if your PC cannot, for whatever reason, start the hotspot, So if your PC can actually start your hotspot, that's very easy. Yeah. So you can just come here and go for your mobile hotspot and start it. Dark Pegasus, yes, as easy as that. But sometimes the PC can't actually do that for whatever reasons. This option might be grayed out, or for whatever reason. So I'm going to show you if that happens. So I'm going to turn this off. Yeah, so for this we only need the terminal, and we're going to use admin privileges. So just hit your Windows key, type cmd, the command prompt pops up, then go for run as administrator. Okay, I'm just gonna make this big. Okay, so here the command is the lines are very simple. Just go NETSH WLAN set hosted network mode. Don't worry, I'm going to put this in the description. You can find this in the description. To allow, then SSID. So the SSID is simply the name of the Wi-Fi, your hotspot network. So I'm going to set this as virtual hotspot. Virtual hotspot. Okay. Then after this, you go for key. Then key equal. Then for the key, this is the password. Remember, it has to be at least 8 characters. Yes. So just go with this easiest, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah. Then after that, just hit enter. So as you can see, the hosted network mode has been set to allow. The SSID has been set and everything is successful. So after this, after setting it up, you have to start it. So the command is simple. It's NETSH WLAN start hosted network. Hit enter. As you can see, the hosted network started. So we can actually check if it has actually started. NETSH WLAN show hosted network. Okay, so you can actually see our hosted network here. Mode has been set to allow virtual, that's the name. And so this is the information. So let me just clear the screen, and then we go to the control panel. So after setting it up, it might not have internet, so you have to go to the control panel and actually make your computer to share the internet with the virtual hotspot you've created. Yes, so just hit the Windows key, control panel, type control panel, and open the control panel. Once you're here, go for network and internet, then network and sharing center. So once we're here, and then the next thing is change adapter settings. This, click on that. Yes, so once you're here, you just have to know where you're getting your internet connection. So in this case, I'm using the Wi-Fi. I'm connected via the Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, go on Ethernet, but in this case I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll right click on Wi-Fi, then go to properties. Once you're here, go to sharing, then internet connection sharing. Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Tick that, then select a private network connection. So in this case, private network connection is the hosted network here, hosted network. Then click OK. Yes, so our hosted network is here. So it is shared. Now as you can see, I'm sharing this Wi-Fi connection to this hosted network. So now the hosted network has got internet connection. Yes, so yes, that's how you create a hosted network and make it have internet connection. This has been HESC. Thank you.